Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to work with the JSON in Python. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Visual Studio Code on my Windows PC and then I will create a new file. I call it either JSON with Python.py. Okay, so here in the first one, I need to import the JSON library for this. Import JSON. Okay. And then I will define a dictionary in Python. I will have a define a new dictionary. Okay, I will have the employee equal curly brackets. Okay, I will have the ID 01. I have a name general. I have the salary, email gmail.com, and the country, which will be Vietnam. Okay, save it. I have completely defined a dictionary for this, and then here I will do the convert the dictionary into a JSON. Okay, I will convert dictionary into JSON. Yeah, I will have a variable je equal JSON.dump. Okay, I will have a parameter employee. Okay, so here we can do the testing by print this out on the GE. Yeah, run it. Is print all of the information here. Okay, so here before we print the values for JSON, I will try to print out the dictionary here. First, print out the dictionary information. I have print the employee. Save it and close this one. Run it again. Yeah, it should be the same. We have the data for dictionary on top, and then when we convert the dictionary into a JSON format, it will print out the same data here. Okay, good. So now here I will try to, for example, I want to get the email address or the name from the JSON object here. So how to do it? Okay, I have the next one. I have to pass the JSON object. Okay, so here I will have a result will be equal the JSON load. I will provide the JSON object here is JE. Okay, so now I can print the result with the object I have result and provide the column name. I will have the name, for example. Okay, close this one and I run it. Yeah, so here you can see I'm getting the name values from the recent object. So the name will be Chienvu. Yeah, this one. Okay. So here it look when we pass the JSON object here and getting the value of the name column, it will be the same when we call directly the dictionary object. So here, for example, I will print the employee directly here. It should be the same. Run it. Yeah. So here we have the name Etienne Wu and the second one Etienne Wu as well. That means when we try to pass the JSON object and we print the column values, it will be the same when we print the value from the dictionary of the Python directly. Okay. So I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to convert an object, or I mean the dictionary from the Python into a JSON object. And we also know how to pass the JSON object into an object of the Python. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any issue, let me know. And if you think this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. Again, thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you guys in the next video.